Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Finally, I have decided to start my English journey on YouTube. So, this is my first video. Before going to further discussion, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Diamond City, Surat. I completed BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, and then I entered into the IT industry. As of now, I am holding more than 5 years of experience in web designing, and I am a team leader of one of the MNC company in website department. I lead 5 people under me, and I do client communication in my company as well as with domestic and global customer. Even many things I am doing daily basis. So after communicating with my company client as well as my colleagues, and apart from the my company, when I interact with the person in English language, so personally I felt I need to work upon English. Okay, therefore on last week from Friday, around for 24th October, I started to communicate with the co-learners as well as with the YouTubers on the video call. So many time when they share the video or when they upload our conversation video on their YouTube channel, so after watching myself on the YouTube in the English conversation, I felt my English style and accent is not up to the mark. And this is obviously my personal observation. Here I am not talking about English accent means British accent or any US native speaker. It's a normal thing which I am sharing to you, like I need to communicate in particular thing. For example, I need to when I am speaking in the English, so I should be fluent, and my personality should be appear in front of everyone as a fluent speaker. Okay, therefore I thought I need to start my English journey by creating solo videos as well as conversation video with the co-learners as well as different YouTubers. So finally I have decided to create my channel on YouTube. So in this channel you can expect every week English conversation videos with the co-learners as well as different YouTubers. Even I will start communication with the English expert tutor. And third kind of category you can expect in this channel, I will upload English storytelling on my channel. Okay, another thing is that if you are the person who are beginner in English or you want to become a fluent in English, so you can subscribe to my channel. As well as if you are the person who are interested to make a conversation with me on video call or audio call as well, so you can find my account details in below description as well as in my YouTube introduction. You can easily able to find my Skype ID as well as Insta ID, including email ID. Any of one platform you can connect with me, so we can start the video call conversation or audio call as well, as per the mutual understanding and both preference, so we can connect with each other. So guys, this was the first video about myself and about the purpose why I need to create the video or why I need to upload the video on my YouTube, because I felt I needs to good command in the English language, because having a particular skills expertise, it's not enough nowadays. English is a universal language, and if you are a person who are expert in the particular language or skill, for example I am a web designer, so I am having a web designing expertise. Okay, so if I am communicating with the second person and I am not able to convey my skill or my thoughts in the English language, because as I said I am from Gujarat, so here our first language is a Gujarati. Okay, so when I am communicating with the second person who is the client of my company, so it's not mandatory that second person must understand Gujarati or Hindi language. Okay, so having a knowledge of particular language or in my area, I can not able to convey or express myself with the second person. Okay, it's a high chance second person have their own local language. It could be from USA, it could be from UK or any particular country, but English is a universal language. Okay, in the entire world, if you are the person who are easily able to understand English and speak into the English language, so you can easily able to survive. Okay, so thing is that if we have a knowledge of particular thing, but if we are not able to convey with the second person, so there will be create a huge gap between first and second person. That's why these kind of many things I felt in my company's working environment by interacting with the people, including client and salesperson, my colleague, and many things. So I thought I need to do work upon it. Second thing is that if I talk about my vocabulary, so I have one kind of a small bunch or bundle about the English vocabulary. All right, so I thought personally, like why I need to improve my vocabulary, because it's not required. So thing is that when I start to learn alone, so I felt where I need to use these kind of vocabulary. So finally I enter into the YouTube by watching different YouTubers conversation videos, solo videos by storytelling. So I thought if I will create the videos with the conversation or solo video storytelling, so at that time I can communicate on the video with using that vocabulary. Okay, so this is the right thing I observe. For example, as of now I learn more than 10 different vocabularies. So I will personally thought and I will ask the question about myself, like where I need to use now these 10 vocabularies. Okay, so if I will connect with the English co-learners or YouTube, so I will communicate with them and I can use the particular vocabularies with them, so I can be use that particular vocabs in my daily conversations. Another thing is that English confidence. If I know the particular knowledge or answer for particular question, but if I don't have a proper manner or I am not able to speak better in English, so how can I make a impact in front of people or second person? So that's the big reason I am here for improving my English. So there are so many aspects which I need to improve. For example, English communication skills. Second is English accent and style. Third is English confident with the proper grammar or not a grammar. If I can able to convey my thing with the second person. So for now, this is the enough thing for me. So as I said, this is the purpose and agenda for creating my YouTube channel, and I will appreciate and love if you guys will also be a part of this my journey. And again I would like to say you are the person who are beginner or full, if you want to become a fluent in this language, so please be connected with each other. We can communicate daily or as per both convenient time. So you can connect with me Skype or Instagram or email ID. Details will be mentioned in the my YouTube channel introduction as well as description, so you can connect with me. Also please subscribe my channel, and you can like, or if you have any suggestion or anything, you can share in the below comment box. So thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good time, and I will keep updating you on by uploading the videos on my channel, and every week one video at least you guys can expect on my channel. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good time. Bye.